So if you ever saw or created a video using the Sora 2 model, you might have noticed that there could be multiple scenes or cuts that are present in the video. So these cuts are produced automatically by AI, and I think that's actually a pretty cool feature. It makes the video feels a bit more authentic and believable. For example, here there's a video of Martin Luther King Jr. delivering a speech, and then there's a cut to the audience. So that cut exists even though the prompt doesn't say anything about when the cut needs to happen. But actually, you can still control when you want to have a cut in a video. And this is a very useful tool that you can try to make the video looks more interesting and engaging. So I'll show you how you can actually intentionally add a cut in a video. So I'm going to create a new video here, and I'm going to just use this AI prompt that I have prepared specifically for this tutorial. And basically, the trick is very simple. You just need to add the cut tag like this. So this is a square bracket, and then cut, and then close square bracket. So that's basically the thing that you need to insert. And by the way, as a good practice, make sure to only add a cut when there is a new scene or there is a new angle in the video. You don't want to have multiple cuts in the same scene. That's just ridiculous. So only one cut per scene. That's my suggestion. So as you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think it is 5, 6. Yeah, there are different 6 different cuts, and each are actually representing a new scene. So I'm going to generate a video, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so after about 2 minutes, finally I got this video. Now I'm going to just play the video, and I'll show you when the cut happens based on this instruction. So first, it's going to show a wide shot. Okay, there is a cut, and this represents this section, a close-up of sharp knife pressing into the tender meat. Okay, that's correct so far. And then there's going to be another cut revealing the juicy pink interior of the meat. Okay, let me just play the video again. Okay, that's exactly the cut that happens. And the next one is a macro shot of meat juices pooling around the steak. Let me just play the video again. Yeah, I love something like that. So yeah, it's pretty accurate, although I have noticed that it is not 100% perfect, because at the end, apparently the video is not long enough to provide the visual content for this section. But for everything else, it is able to produce the cut based on instruction. So this simple improvement on the prompt will make the video looks more interesting and engaging. And of course, it's always nice to have extra control when creating content with AI. So that's basically how you can cut a video into multiple scenes using the Sora 2 model. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.